Hey everyone, how's it going today? So this has been a brutal couple of days in the cryptocurrency market. So I just want to get into a little bit of why we're seeing such a bloodbath right now. Crypto is dumping, and Bitcoin is definitely trending lower and potential to going a lot lower. We're going to talk about that in this video. Before we get into it, though, please make sure you smash the like button and you subscribe to my channel for more cryptocurrency news and information and all that good stuff. All right, so why is Bitcoin crashing? There's a few reasons why, and we're going to get into that. I'm going to make this video fairly quick, but this does apply to any and all cryptocurrencies you may own because it affects the broader market. So FTX sell-off. We haven't gotten rid of FTX. They're still a thorn in our side. They have sold off nearly 1 billion of Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust, GBTC shares, and they have liquidated all 22 million GBTC shares to meet creditor obligations. So they are going through the bankruptcy process, and this is needed in order to restructure the company. They are looking at paying off creditors and potentially relaunching FTX, which whether you agree with it or not, it's most likely going to happen. But that is a lot of what's going on. They are liquidating, and obviously they're taking they're liquidating at a time when the market is higher so that they can make more funds to pay off more creditors. Now, there's a lot of speculation, or sorry, a lot of uh, anger about the people who have are waiting to get their funds back because FTX is selling off at a higher price than what they're actually owed. So they're actually making money off of the money they owe them. I know, crazy, right? We also have ETF approval and volatility. So massive outflows from Grayscale's GBTC, totaling 3.4 billion, with an outflow of 640.5 million in its seventh trading day, and significant Bitcoin transfers to various exchanges have intensified market pressures. So it is, when you see massive amounts of Bitcoin heading to exchanges, you know that a sell off is coming, and smart money is going to sell off before they decide to. So that is also going on. We also have investors eyeing profit. All right. So the surge in Bitcoin's price throughout 2023, obviously it went up very quickly, and it was driven by ETF optimism, and the upcoming halving event prompted investors to capitalize on short-term gains. So right now we have people taking profits. You can see here, like Bitcoin went up massively over 2023. Let's go have a look here at Bitcoin. It's going to take a second here just to load. Um, oh, I hate coin market cap at times. Let's go back and look at the year. We can see here, so right around September, things started to move up, and we shot up from about 20, I'm gonna say 23-ish, no, about 24, all the way up to, 47 something. So, people are in profits, people are taking profits before the dump happens, and then they're probably going to rebuy, I would imagine. That's what I would do anyway. We also have regulatory concerns. SEC's aggressive stance against crypto players like Coinbase, Binance, and Ripple. Obviously, there's lawsuits still pending there. And also, people like senators like Senator Warren and SEC Chair Gary Gensler have created uncertainty with a lot of their comments. We also have key economic data coming up. So there's crucial data releases, including US GDP for Q4 2023, and we also have PCE inflation data coming out. So in addition, key indicators such as the CPI scheduled for next week are anticipated to offer insights into US economic health. Previously, we were thinking, we could potentially get a reduction in interest rates for the U.S., but now things are more looking like a pause again, or God forbid we get a hike. If we get a hike, we're going to see a massive sell-off. But any hawkish moves by the Federal Reserve, deviating from the expected 3 rate cuts this year, could trigger additional sell-offs in the crypto market. So just be warned on that. So that's pretty much what's going on. Let's have a look at the overall market today. We're down about 3.8%, sitting at 1.53 trillion. Wow, we're down a lot. Around the ETF approval, I think we're up to 1.75-ish, I do believe. But now we're sitting, Bitcoin's hovering under 40K, sitting at 39.3 right now. Ethereum's down to 2,200. We've got Solana sitting at 82, XRP at 50 cents, Cardano at 46 cents. So we're giving away a lot of profits back. People are certainly taking profits now, and people are also selling because of fear. what I'm doing right now is I'm comfortable with the assets that I hold. I'm not selling anything. If we get some massive dips, which I think we're going to see, Bitcoin get down to, 32-ish K at least. I believe that's what I believe anyway. If we do, I'm gonna, obviously top up some of my altcoins. I don't really necessarily buy as much Bitcoin as I do others, but I'm definitely going to look at purchasing dollar cost averaging in some of my altcoins, just to kind of prep myself for the next leg up. But that's what I got for you guys in this video. I mean, the sky's not falling. Bitcoin's not going to zero. I mean, we're going to see a lot of FUD. We're going to see a lot of news articles come out. Mainstream media is going to tell you crypto's dead, Bitcoin's going to zero, and all that good stuff. Just hang tight. This is not financial advice whatsoever. But, these things come in cryptocurrency, financial markets, etc. This is nothing new. I've been through this I don't know how many times now, so I sleep okay at night. But definitely don't stick to the charts. Don't be sitting there, worrying about what's going to happen next. As long as you're comfortable with your investments and you think things are going to eventually improve, you're okay. So that's what I got for you in this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.